Now, even small problems can grow into big aggravating problems if you're dealing with them every single day. Good example of that is a story these homeowners told us about their little small laundry room and how slow their clothes dryer is in drying clothes now. It used to take only 45 minutes, now it takes close to 2 hours to dry a load of clothes. Now they went and bought a brand new dryer, which helped a lot, but they even realized then even it started slowing down the time to dry the clothes. So obviously the problem is not the dryer, but most likely the dryer vent that goes from the dryer to the outside. What happens is over the years the accumulation of lint inside the vent restricts the size of the pipe, so it prevents the dryer from exhausting all of that moisture to the outside in a timely fashion. So the first step in correcting this problem is to clean all of that lint out of the dryer vent. If your dryer vents to an exterior wall, the easiest way to access the vent may be by removing the cover on the outside. Then you can use a brush just like this one, which is specifically designed for cleaning ductwork to remove the lint and dust that decrease the dryer's efficiency. When the dryers have to work harder, they tend to overheat, which often leads to fires. In fact, thousands every year. The risk of fire is even greater if the flexible vent hose attached to the dryer is flammable like this plastic one. It should be replaced with a flexible metal hose.